Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon. First, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser. And on the top, we could see the URL section. Type down amazon.com and enter it. After you're done, and after that, we could see we just landed to the official homepage of the Amazon. On the top right corner, we could see this option that says sign in. Click on that. And in order to do that, we are required for our email or mobile number. Simply type down the email or mobile number, and after that, click on the continue. And we are again required for the password. Type down the password. And if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, then click in this option that says forgot your password in order to recover or reset it. And after that, click on the sign in and then you'll be successfully logged into your Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.